All right, so we're going to be installing a false front on a sink cabinet, and basically we have a new way of doing this. So Teddy's got it set up to where the drawer front's on here, it's clamped in place where it needs to be. And then basically what we're doing is using 1/4 inch material here. We're using the small little chrome 5/8 screws to screw to the frame. And then these 2 additional holes are going to be to actually mount the drawer front to the cabinet. We're also leaving the door pads on, door bumpers, so everything lines up with the doors. And he's basically going to show you how this goes on. So he'll screw on the 2 small screws first. So now we got the 3 cleats on there. Now he's going to grab 1.5 inch, number 8 screw. That gets screwed in. That goes right into the drawer front itself. So this will hold the drawer front tight, obviously. Secure. That way if you're installing shaker fronts, you don't have to worry about a screw coming through the center panel. All the screws will be on the outside perimeter frame as far as where they're being installed. It's quick and easy. Right on this side. And then how can you measure the size of those 1/4 inch pieces? So we can, so now the drawer front's held on by these 1/4 inch panels. This is how custom cabinets are usually done. So we're kind of following the same process. So these are 3 inch by 7.5. And that's it. Easy to go.